If you're looking to bring lasting beauty to your front yard, small trees can be an excellent choice. They offer visual interest throughout the year with their changing foliage, flowers, and structure. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the best small trees that will keep your front yard looking beautiful in every season. Let's get started. Japanese maple. Japanese maple stands out with its finely cut leaves that change colors dramatically with the seasons. Spring brings vibrant greens or reds, which later shift to brilliant shades of orange and red in autumn. Even in winter, its elegant branches add a sculptural element to your landscape. This adaptable tree thrives in partial shade and well-drained soil. Serviceberry. Serviceberry offers year-round appeal, beginning with a stunning display of white flowers in spring, followed by edible berries in the summer. These berries also attract birds, adding life to your garden. Come fall, the leaves turn rich shades of orange and red, and the tree's smooth silver bark remains a beautiful feature in winter. Flowering dogwood. Flowering dogwood is beloved for its large, showy flowers in spring, followed by lush green leaves in the summer. The fall season brings a transformation as the foliage turns deep red. Even in winter, the tree's textured bark and graceful branching add interest to the garden, making it a year-round asset. Redbud. Redbuds make a bold statement in early spring with their vibrant pink or purple flowers, which bloom before the leaves appear. The heart-shaped leaves provide a rich green canopy in summer and turn a bright yellow in the fall. During winter, the tree's dark, distinctive branches create a striking silhouette against the sky. Crabapple. Crabapple trees are a versatile choice with stunning array of blossoms in spring, followed by colourful fruits that persist into the fall and even winter. These fruits add a splash of colour to the garden and attract birds, while the fall foliage varies from golden yellow to deep red, keeping your landscape vibrant well into the colder months. Magnolia. Magnolia trees bring a touch of elegance to any garden with their large, fragrant flowers that bloom in late spring or early summer. These blossoms, which can be white, pink or purple, are complemented by glossy, dark green leaves that remain attractive throughout the growing season. Even in winter, the tree's form and foliage continue to enhance your yard. Crape Myrtle. Crape myrtles are a favourite for their extended blooming period in the summer, showcasing vibrant clusters of flowers in a range of colours. As fall approaches, the leaves turn to warm hues of red and orange. In winter, the smooth, peeling bark adds an interesting texture, ensuring that this tree remains a focal point in your garden year-round. Dwarf Japanese Snowbell. The dwarf Japanese Snowbell is a charming option, producing clusters of delicate, bell-shaped white flowers in late spring. These flowers hang gracefully from the branches, adding a touch of elegance. In fall, the small green leaves turn yellow, and the tree's attractive bark provides winter interest, making this tree a well-rounded choice for all seasons. Hawthorn. Hawthorn trees bring resilience and beauty to your yard. Late spring sees them covered in clusters of white or pink flowers, which are followed by red berries in the fall, perfect for attracting birds. The foliage transitions to bright shades of yellow, orange, and red, while the tree's unique twisted branches offer a striking winter profile. Witch Hazel. Witch hazel is a standout choice for its unusual ability to bloom in winter. As the cold months set in, this tree produces fragrant flowers in shades of yellow, orange, or red, offering colour when most other plants are dormant. Throughout the rest of the year, its lush green foliage and vibrant yellow fall colour make it a valuable addition to any landscape. These are our top 10 picks for small trees that offer year-round beauty for your front yard. Whether you seek to add colour, structure, or simply enhance the natural beauty of your landscape, these trees are sure to deliver. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching.